To be a leader is to understand that you must transcend being good at just functional and analytical or problem-solving tasks. That you must be able to build relationships that enable you to create a fabric of personal contacts that will provide you support, feedback, insight, resources, and information. That's called networking, brothers and sisters. And leaders understand that the alternative to effective networking is simply to fail. That you will not reach a leadership position or you will not succeed at leadership without effective networking skills. That you're going to have to spend more of your time working on cultivating, nurturing, and building relationships with each other and others. There's a Harvard study that says that effective people spend about 14% of their time working on cultivating, nurturing, and building relationships at work, at home, and in the community. But successful people, people at the top rungs of every ladder in America, spend 54% of their time working on cultivating, nurturing, and building relationships. I spend more than 60% of my time working on cultivating, nurturing, and building relationships. And I travel 350,000 miles a year. You're going to have to build 3 kinds of networks. And you're going to have to build them throughout your entire life. I want you to write this down. First, you're going to have to build a personal network. These are your close circle of friends. These are the people that know you, love you, and cheer you on. People who hug you and lift you up. Let's call this your network at home. The second network is you're going to have to build an operational network. These are the people that help you to get specific tasks done in life. Whether it's the team that you're working on at your place of business, the team that you're working on in your church, the team that you're working on in some organization or specific institution that you're a part of. But this is an operational network. It changes through each passage of life. And you're going to have to work on that network. It's an operational network. Let's call this your network at work. And the third and final network is your strategic network. These are the people that are smarter than you. These are the people that will drag you into the 21st century kicking, screaming, and crying. These are the people that are where you want to be. These are the people that ultimately can be your consultants and mentors and guidance. Let's call that your network in the community. Personal, operational, and strategic. Effective networkers know this. They know that networking looks like this, that somebody is pulling you, and you must always be pulling someone. And the minute you break that connection in either direction, you have a hole in your net. You know what happens when a fisherman gets a hole in his net? The fish get through, and too many holes, and the whole infrastructure of support breaks down. Spend more time working on cultivating, nurturing, and building your relationships.